Working in the SaaS world for 15 years, I know that you need to be right on top of data protection, especially in Salesforce, because there is a big misconception that Salesforce is there to help you out for all aspects of data protection. So if a user goes rogue and overwrites loads of data, Salesforce can be there and you can get that data back. But it's really not always the case. It is a shared responsibility between you and Salesforce. And because of this big misconception, I've created a brand new free course called the SaaS Data Protection for Salesforce course, which really goes into a big deep dive into this and how you can protect your org. And so if you do want to access the course, just head to this free course at academy.cloudally.com.